What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Real Madrid soccer jersey, the version for 2019 and 2020. This is the white and gold classical famous soccer team from Spain, Adidas clothes. It comes in this package with some instructions on it. Most are how to watch it. The sponsorship, it's the Emirates, the air company. The shield of the thing, it's boarded into the clouds. It has some textures, and the material seems quite durable and skinny into the body, like most of the soccer team jerseys. There's the emblem, the Adidas, the stripes in gold colors. Here's how it comes into the body. It's comfortable, quite skinny but comfortable. There's not much details, just some small stripes into the borders in gold colors as well, and into the arms. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I see you later. All the best!